Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're going to be unboxing a monthly crate. This video is by no means sponsored or endorsed by the company, but if you don't like it, it's it's from around here. It's from Universal Yums. They do every month is a different country or a different region, and yeah, let's get on with it. This one is a super Yum box. I believe it's the largest they have, and it comes with a little booklet. It has all kinds of like trivia, little games, and also tells you what each thing is. Gives you a little detailed paragraph or so. So let's get on with it. Here's the little thing, and we got a little trivia and ratings and all that good stuff. But yeah, okay. First thing is Tteokbokki snack. It's a sweet and spicy wheat snack. And if you haven't seen my other unboxing of this type, I always try something. So yeah, at the end of the thing. But yeah, let's get on with it. And next thing, cola potato chips. Interesting. We got spicy corn chips. There's another interesting one. Yogurt potato chips. Who knows? It could be wrong. It could be great. Cheddar cheese kettle chips. Something called chocolate corns. Interesting. And that must be like a corn puffs type thing. Hot chicken crunchy corn puffs. And churros. I wonder if it tastes any different than normal one. It says Spanish dessert original. Who knows? And we got some Victory pies. Strawberry sweet and sour chewy. New York cheesecake bakey. Two of those. We also got a Chusum Gray. Choco pie, two of them. They're green tea flavor. Two Cocoa Him, chocolate and hazelnut cream filled wafers. We got some white tort, sweet biscuit and mascarpone cream filling with let's find have it. Okay, here we go. probably gonna butcher this name. Cham Sal Singua soy sauce flavored rice crackers. And almond pepero, chocolate and almond coated biscuit sticks. And they all come with a little called a yum bag like this. Has a little, if I remember correctly, little candies in there. I think that's what that was. Okay, yeah. So it has rice candy, Mamos, rice flavored hard candy, interesting. Tangerine flavored gummy. And citron flavored hard candy. So I think I'm gonna try the yogurt chips. Yogurt flavored chips. Let's see how it turns out. There it goes. Looks like a simple plain potato chip. Smells like plain potato chip. Slightly sweet. Tastes like a, has a flavor very reminiscent of a vanilla wafer, or vanilla wafer, whatever they're called. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up on the video. Hit subscribe, and please share this so we can get some more subscribers. Thank you and have a great day.